Hi, welcome. This is a sneak preview of ArcoLinuxB, but it's gonna be Bspwm, so another tiling window manager. If you want to get into these tiling window managers, you gradually need to learn the keyboard shortcuts that are also available on Plasma, on Mate, on XFCE, on Cinnamon, and others. So it's in there. It's in those keyboards that are looking back at you. It's a combination of keys, and if you're in here, there's not much to do if you don't have anything to click, right? There is nothing to click. You can choose another workspace, but that's it. There is no menu. The menu is Super Shift D. That's your D menu. In the D menu, you can have a look and say, I'm gonna launch Firefox. Now there are others as well. Not sure if I installed it in the minimal, because this is the minimal version, right? So I'm gonna try Super F12, which launches normally Rofi, so it's another kind of terminal. And often when I'm here, I often do this thing. I kind of like Kaka Fire. The name is Grant, of course, and so there's a little application that you can run. Now let me try something else. Yeah, Super F2 is present, so we can start Firefox here as well. Super F2 was that, and Super Q is gone. And is this present? That's not present, so it's enough. Anyway, the main menu should be for your fingers to remember. Super Shift D is always gonna be there. We love our D menu, but the advantage or disadvantage, well, are there disadvantages? No. If you know part of the word, that's okay. If you say manage, but you wonder what to manage, and then you can go and take a look at all the things that contain the word manage. So you need to know a part of the word. So if like top, maybe, right? That's something to do with top. All the things that like H-top, that was the thing you were looking for, right? H-top. So things like that. So this is Bspwm. You need to figure out how everything works. Here are some keys I'm pressing here. So Super Shift Enter is a very important one, because you want to have a look at what's in there, in the config. You want to see, oh look, Bspwm, here are the configuration files, and so on and so on and so on. So a Super Shift Enter is another important one, but this is a minimal one, so let's show you how minimal. I mean, Super F1 should be Vivaldi or Firefox something, Super F2 should be Atom, Super F3, I'm pressing these buttons right now, GIMP, Inkscape, Melt, VLC, F7 should be VirtualBox, no, F8, that's the file manager, that's there, F9, Evolution, F10, Spotify. So none of these guys are working, they don't show up as an error or anything like that, but it's in here, right? So we have a lot of keyboard shortcuts, and they're all in this particular file. Now you're wondering, probably like I'm wondering, but of course it hit me, this is a minimal installation. There is nothing to edit. There is no Atom, there is no Sublime Text, there is no Genie, there's nothing. This is Vim, VI, right? So whoa, get out of it. So if you want to experiment more, you need to maybe install something, right? So sudo pacman-s, choose your own Lego blocks. This time I'm not gonna type in Sublime Text, which I would probably do it most of the time, but here you go, choose something else, right? So double click, and then he knows, hey look, this is Genie, a little bit different, okay? And here you learn everything you want to learn, you need to learn. Alt T, variety -T, trash it. No, I don't want to trash this wallpaper, but never mind, you can't trash it. But there were other combinations like Alt N, that's the next wallpaper, Alt N, next wallpaper, Alt N, next wallpaper. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one for now. For now, okay, Alt arrow up. That's for today. It will not change ever again. And how do you know all this? Well, by reading it. Okay, so Alt left, Alt right, Alt up. Toggle pause. I just paused my variety. It's gonna keep this until I say, give me the next one. So the whole day, I'll have that particular wallpaper. And it's easy, you figure it out, it's all in here. All the preferences are in here. You want to start it, no, yes, and so on. But we need variety to set our wallpapers initially. when you come into our systems, 15 desktops, Variety is providing a beautiful wallpaper to any of them. And that's of course a relief that somebody is taking care of the first aspect. The first time users see it, then it's an awesome look. That's better than the standard GNOME or the standard Cinnamon or the standard Plasma wallpaper, but it's our wallpaper. All right, enough said. The sneak preview. Have a look. You install it in the middle of April. You'll see it come up, and you'll see we'll have lots of choices to install more stuff. But this is the minimal one. All right, enjoy.